Hey Gunpowder crew, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the adventures and content here on our channel. Today's adventure, we don't even leave home. We're here in the garage. We're getting ready to install a 4-inch Superlift suspension lift kit. So, join us as the adventure continues. Let's go see what the boys are up to. What the heck? What are y'all doing? Don't know. No. I'm just leaving. We are now disassembling the front of Gunpowder. Here Randy is disconnecting the lockers. And here is Jason disassembling the passenger side of Gunpowder.
Where this truck bends in the middle.
Stop that.
Yeah, it looks like it.
It doesn't appear to be doing all kind of strange things.
I can't see what it's doing, so if it looks scary, you shall stop.
As he says, stop.
Yeah. How many slots?
Where you going, boy?
I'm getting away.
I'm back in a far corner.
What are we taking apart now? Shocks. Shocks. Taking shocks off. Attempting. Attempting? Attempting. Oh, we're attempting to take off shocks. So we hit it hard. Right here we are putting in the control arm that is located on the driver's side of Gunpowder. Now we are installing the control arm for the passenger side of Gunpowder.
Here's Jason putting in the spring on the passenger side of Gunpowder.
Perfection. Perfection. That's what we're aiming for.
Now Randy and Jason are both putting in the spring on the driver's side of Gunpowder. Now the work begins, getting everything bolted and tightened into place. Here Jason is attaching the sway bars. And now the new shocks are getting put into place. Here are the shocks on the driver's side. Here I kind of missed the shock install on the passenger side, but ta-da! Here it is. Now Randy and Jason are putting the track bar mount reinforcing bracket along with the new adjustable track bar that was included in the kit.
Like a glove. Oh, my finger.
Alright, we are done lifting the front end. Now we're jacking up the back end to get it lifted. Hey, Jason. Hey.
Hello. On purpose.
It's on purpose. Yes, she's this high on purpose. You There's Randy back here, jacking her up. I see a bright light.
Yeah. I have an idea.
Or as Jason would say, the hard part's over? Probably.
We will see.
We will see. Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen her lifted this high. Walk around.
Always roll to the center.
Oh, yeah.
I'm thinking I was related to that dude somehow.
Here's Randy taking the rear shocks out of the driver's side of Gunpowder. And here Jason is taking the rear shock out of the passenger side of Gunpowder, passing it to me, and I place it in the pile. And out comes the rear springs. And in goes the new rear springs for Gunpowder. Just seen Randy under the Jeep and then disappear again. Here we are mounting the first control arm. This is on the passenger side of Gunpowder. Here's Jason putting in the brake line relocation bracket. Now here Jason and Randy are installing the new shocks. Just go around and make sure everything is tightened down. All right.
Gotta go smaller again.
What's that? That's like 19, right? 17. Yeah, it looks like a
Let's try this again.
Take two. Spacer. Is that a 17? Many times I've done that on purpose. Technically speaking.
He just enjoys laying on the concrete floor so much.
socket.
The funny thing though is it's not the exact same as which I want.
I like your Roy, but you can't emphasize.
I mean, it's almost.
Ready. Don't tempt him.
This point.
This one. And then I'm in.
You made it.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a difference in it.
It is. Now I gotta hop out.
Just remember that it's
That's why the
further to
video's
ground.
still going.
When's the body lift going?
All right, let's give a big thank you to Jason. He has a mechanic shop, JP Jeep Works. Want a location or just drop a number below?
It's in Woodlawn, Virginia.
Okay, there we go. Oh, here's the number below. So thanks for all your help, and
Glad I could help.
awesome. As the adventure continues.